grab yourself a gel paint that's glittery and just makes you happy to look at. And I'm going to show you how to create shell nail art. So I'm going for this chrome gel paint as well. We're going to need that, and it just looks like liquid silver. It's beautiful. And then the shells. We need some kind of shells, and we're going to start off by applying the glitter to the middle of the nail, and we want to blend it outwards. So I'm using a kind of medium-sized nail art brush. It's a little bit thicker. It's a bit more for filling in larger areas. So I'm concentrating most of the glitter in the middle and then brushing it out onto that neutral base. So it looks almost like this glitter has exploded all over the nail. So I'm using this beautiful turquoisey bluey shade. Oh, it's gorgeous. Now, if you want to build up the glitter a little bit more, cure that in the lamp, then you can bring it out and add a little bit more on top. We want to make sure it cures properly, so make sure you're not overwhelming the nail with too much product. I am here dabbing it on in the middle, but with a really light touch, because I'm trying to build up that glitter in the middle and then pulling it outwards like we did, just to give it that aura of glitter glitziness. Once you're happy with how you've placed your glitter, pop it in the lamp and cure it. I love glitter, and I mean, come on, I think by now you will know this. I'm just dabbing on tiny little bits here and there, just making the whole nail look like it's just exploded glitter in the middle of it. Beautiful. Cure that in the lamp. Now this is where we are going in, and I am dabbing on that silver mirror chrome gel paint, just random blobs here and there, because I want it to look like it has dimension before we put the shell on top. So don't worry how big and small your dots are. We want those nice splodges, and I love designs like this because they are so abstract. You don't have to worry that every single nail needs to be the same. Cure it in the lamp, and then I am going to top coat all of that before I go on with my shell. Now the shell is going to be the 3D element on this nail. So I want everything else on the base to be nice and smooth. So once it's all nicely cured for us, I'm popping on a little dot of nail glue, and I'm going to put my shell on top of that. Now the reason I'm not putting gel and popping that shell on top of it is I can't guarantee it's going to cure underneath, because the shell is opaque, so I can't guarantee it's going to cure underneath the shell. So once that's all nice and dry, I am then getting a blob of just top coat and starting to spread that all around. Now this is how you secure that shell on as well, so you can go around the edges, just create it as high as you want. I like to turn the finger upside down and just create a nice, like you would with Apex, nice dome on that shell. That's going to give us that kind of gem look. Go right in the lamp and you're finished.